Hurricane Helene was just miserable for me. The stress of the wind noise had me so anxious I was miserable all day and all night, and the threat of tornadoes never left my mind. I'm so relieved it's over. I took out the audio because the wind noise is just too annoying. I know Hurricane Helene brought a lot of grief and despair along its path, and all of those people and places are in my prayers. I feel guilty saying it, but we got lucky with only a few days of horrendous wind. The noise kept me so stressed out. I kept waiting for parts of the house to be blown apart. Blessings to all of you that are struggling. We're lucky we just got out of range of the hurricane. We did have to go through a lot of outer bands that brought a lot of wind and the constant threat of tornadoes. Hurricanes really do suck. The morning after Hurricane Helene, I went out to check the damage and was greeted by a small flock of magnificent frigatebirds. A life bird for me, so I was really excited. At first glance, I thought they were swallow-tailed kites. But then I realized there were so many in the flock. I doubted my first identification and did a double take and was just thrilled to see that they were frigatebirds. You'd think me being born and raised in Florida, I would have seen one of these birds before, but I never have. Maybe I did when I was younger, and I had no idea what I was looking at. Frigatebirds eat their meals on the wing, over water, over coastal areas. They have small feet and legs, which makes them pretty helpless on land, so they spend most of their time soaring on the winds over the ocean and the coastline. In Florida, they're found along the coast, so I was lucky that they were blown in from the hurricane, or else I might never have gotten a chance to see or video one. They are seen inland after storms, and I was lucky to get a video. They're found along the coast of Florida, both east and west, and they breed in the dry tortugas. They are huge. They have a 3 feet length and a wingspan of 7.5 feet. So they are very impressive birds. They moved off to the west end of the lake right after I shot this video, and I'm assuming headed back to the coast. I hope they have a safe journey back. They are magnificent. Thanks, Mother Nature, for showing me their beauty. Keep them safe on their journey back to the coast.